Hi guys. Hey, if you guys are anything like me and you're stuck in the cold part of the world where it snows, kind of have dedicated vehicles that you like to go out and play with in the snow, and this is mine. The Mad Van that I've got, I have had for, God, probably 4 years or so, I guess. And sadly, I have never done any maintenance to this car or truck other than replacing the spur gear with a Kimbrough um, replacement gear. And other than that, I've done no maintenance to this thing. Um, so my thought was take all the bearings out since I ran it in snow and everything. Take all the bearings out. I'm just gonna go through them all and take the sealed sides of them off, and pack them with marine grease. Well, then I got them apart and I realized that they're not sealed bearings, they're regular bearings, which is kind of cool, but also kind of a problem because I can't take them apart. So, like, what I'm gonna do is just take them all out and put them in a pill bottle full of um, like something like 3-in-1 oil. Probably that would probably work good. But I don't know. Like I said, I was thinking there were going to be sealed bearings. You can tell I haven't done maintenance on this thing in quite a while because the dog bone cups worn about halfway through. Um, I really want to get the aluminum upgrade stuff. I want to get the new cups that are the red anodized and get the red anodized rear and the red anodized front pieces. Get everything it can get for it basically that's upgrade. I've already got the heat sink and the metal shaft for it, but that's all I've got. Like I said, other than adding those things, like I said, I've done no maintenance to this thing. I've just beat on it and beat on it, and it takes it. Once I got that uh, spur gear figured out, that was my biggest problem with this thing. I even went and put the aluminum spur gear for Kyosho and stripped that. So I ended up just saying the hell with it, and somebody, I don't remember who or where, I seen it on some thing on Facebook. Somebody had got a Kimbrough gear for some associated car. I can't remember, like an RC10 or something maybe. And it was a direct fit, and I put that on. I've had no problems since. So, but yeah, like I said, just trying to get things around, get cleaned up a little bit, and get everything oiled and get it ready. Cause with it being 4-wheel drive and being a van with monster truck tires, it's gonna be a lot of fun to just go out and slide around and throw snow all over. So, what do you guys do for maintenance and to prep yours for wintertime driving and stuff? Um, a lot of times I'll spray the parts down with WD-40, spray the chassis and all the other stuff before I go out in the snow. Because I've heard that it helps keep it from cracking, when the plastic's cold. You know, kind of one of those things. But anyway, like I said, if you guys go out and mess around in the snow and that and have fun with them, what do you guys do? And like I said, I kind of surprised that this is not sealed bearings, but hey, what the heck? So, and this, I've just kept it stock. I've still got the 14 turn stock motor. I'm not going to upgrade it. It's a mad van. I mean, that's kind of the way I look at these things is I run them stock. I'm not going to get a car and first thing off the bat go throwing brushless in it and go upgrading everything. I'm going to run it for a while and get used to it and really test a vehicle out, what breaks, what don't break, those kind of things. And then, later on, then I'll start upgrading the stuff, you know, the drive shaft and the motor mount or the motor sink, heat sink. You know, want to get the aluminum anodized parts for these, you know, just that kind of stuff. But I've had this thing for almost 4 or 5 years, I guess. So, you know, it's time to upgrade it and have some more fun with it. Keep it going in the fleet. So, anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it. And you know, like I said, just comment down below. You know what kind of stuff you guys do in the wintertime, you know, to keep your RCs from breaking or rusting or whatever. I mean, to me, a good bath WD-40 seems to work out pretty good, but we'll see. Take care, guys. Thanks. Have a good day and stay safe out there.